Hey guys, so today we'll be learning about bioenergetics. Life is an energy-intensive process. It takes energy to operate muscles, extract waste, make new cells, heal wounds, and even think. Bioenergetics is the study of energy in living systems and the organisms that utilizes them. What is energy? Physics define energy as the ability to do work, that is, to do matter. The total amount of energy in any object is the sum of energy's two forms, potential and kinetic. Potential energy is stored energy available to do work. A bicyclist at the top of a hill illustrates potential energy. As the bicyclist goes down the hill, energy is released as kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is energy being used to do work. Any moving object possesses this form of energy. The covalent bonds of molecules, such as the ingredients in your energy bar, contain a form of potential energy called chemical energy. And the molecules inside the cell demonstrates kinetic energy. There are two types of energy reactions, namely endergonic and exergonic. Endergonic reaction is chemical reaction that requires a net input of energy. An example of this is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, some bacteria, and some protists use the energy from sunlight to produce glucose from carbon dioxide and water. This glucose can be converted into pyruvate, which releases adenosine triphosphate by cellular respiration. Oxygen and glucose is formed as a byproduct. Photosynthesis comes in two forms, light-dependent and light-independent or Kreb cycle. Light-dependent reaction occurs in the thylakoid membrane. Its reactants are H2O, NADP+, and ADP, and its products are O2, NADPH, and ADP. Meanwhile, light-independent reaction or Kreb cycle occurs in the stroma. Its reactants are CO2, NADPH, and ADP, and its products are sugar, NADP, and ADP. Exergonic reaction, on the other hand, is a chemical reaction that releases energy. An example of this is cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a catabolic pathway for the production of adenosine triphosphate or ATP. There are three main stages of cellular respiration: glycolysis, Kreb cycle, and electron transport or oxidative phosphorylation. Glycolysis literally means splitting sugars. In glycolysis, the 6-carbon sugar, glucose, is broken down into two molecules of a 3-carbon molecule called pyruvate. This change is accompanied by a net gain of 2 ATP molecules and 2 NADH molecules. The Kreb cycle is a sequence of reactions by which most living cells generate energy during the process of aerobic respiration. It takes place in the mitochondria, consuming oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water as waste products, and converting ADP to energy-rich ATP. The electron transport, or oxidative phosphorylation, is the metabolic pathway in which cells use enzymes to oxidize nutrients, thereby releasing energy which is used to reform ATP. In most eukaryotes, this takes place inside mitochondria. Almost all aerobic organisms carry out oxidative phosphorylation. Trivia. How does ATP work? Organisms use enzymes to break down energy-rich glucose to release its potential energy. This energy is trapped and stored in the form of adenosine triphosphate. How much ATP do cells use? It is estimated that Each cell will generate and consume approximately 10 million molecules of ATP per second. Just wow! That concludes our lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you learned something from us. Goodbye!